Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to upload my Sly Cooper asset to your avatar. So first you want to open up this folder, and since this is the 3.0 Otter, you want to go into here and you can choose between just some simple outfit items to the full outfit. So you'll drag this here and then also this if you want the full outfit, and then you'll want to unpack and then drag them onto your avatar, and you'll want to go into the mesh of this to find the blend shapes and find the backpack outfit, and it will make these straps bigger so it fits around the arms of the shirt. And then you'll want to open up your armature and start dragging all of these bones onto your avatar so it will move with it. So the hips with the hips, and then the spine, etc., etc. And the hat goes on the head. Then next you'll want to do the same for the outfit. Then you'll want to add your animations. So you want to open up VRC Labs and Avatar 3.0 Manager, and then drag it over here. Drag your avatar into here, open up the FX, and find the 3.0 FX and drag it into here. Then you'll want to, when you're adding this, you'll want to delete these zeros so it will merge with the existing ones. To merge on current, and then open up the parameters and look for this. Drag the Sly Cooper parameter in here, copy the parameters, then you'll want to find your avatar menu. So you can go here and click on that, open up the menu, make a sub menu, and look for Sly Cooper sub. And this one is for 3.0, and this one is 2.9. And then you can add a little toggle menu button or menu picture. And that should be it for getting it on. If you're using another avatar for this, you might be able to use the outfit. There are some like blend shapes to make it like kind of fit if you want to try to make it fit your avatar. But there is also a version that is just the staff itself, no outfit at all. It's just a staff, and you basically do the same exact thing, it just has a lot less bones you need to add. So I think that should be it. The 2.9 is basically the same, just a little bit different with adding the bones in.